dear teachers, I hope you're doing well. My name is Jamil, and today I'm going to demonstrate one activity that you can do with your students to nicely wrap up the lesson. Today we learned about comparative adjectives. So with the help of this activity, let's summarize our lesson by answering these 3 points. Okay, so you need to write 3 things you found out, 2 interesting things, and 1 question you still have after this lesson. Okay? So have you finished, guys? Yeah? Okay. Now could you please compare your list with your partner, okay? You guys work together, that Qayyum with Baybol, you together, Medina with Ayjarkan, and you together. Compare your list and find out similarities. Okay, now could you please share your ideas with the whole class? Okay, so 3 things you found out in today's lesson. Who wants to share?
When we are comparative to things, we use to the context then.
Very good. We use the word then to compare 2 things. What else?
We use endings like ER and IER.
IER. Okay, good. When do we use IER? Why? Great. Very good. Okay. Any other things you found out?
About long and short adjectives.
Long and short adjectives. Okay. So syllables. It depends on the syllable. Yeah. Okay. If your adjective is long, you use were. Yeah. At the beginning of the adjective. Yes. Okay. Now, what you have learned? 2 interesting things.
New words.
New words, for example.
For example, stall.
Stall. Okay, very good. We have learned new words. Giant. What else? Recover and to last. Last. Yeah. Great. What else? Do you have anything to add?
About carnivals.
About carnivals. Okay. What was the most interesting thing that you have learned about carnivals?
Rio de Janeiro is as expensive on Niagara.
Very good. Yeah, it's expensive during the carnival. Okay, so the text was really interesting, right?
Yes.
Okay, so 1 question you still have after the lesson. Do you have any questions left? No? Okay. Did you think properly? Maybe you have some. No questions? Great. Okay. It means that you understood everything. Okay, well done. Dear colleagues, welcome to our Lingua T Club. In this lesson, I want to talk about the importance of formative assessment. The goal of formative assessment is to monitor student learning, to provide ongoing feedback that can be used by instructors to improve their teaching skills and by students to improve their learning. More specifically, formative assessments help students to identify their strengths and weaknesses and target areas that need work. As for the advantages of this type of assessment, first, it develops knowledge. Second, it plans for the future. The third, it achieves successful outcomes. The fourth, continuous improvement. And 5, provides a rich picture. So in my lesson, I used an activity which is called 3-2-1. At the end of the lesson, I asked my students to write about 3 things they found out during the lesson, 2 things they've learned, and one question they still have. So I think that it's a nice way to wrap up your lesson. Instead of doing this activity, you can do an exit ticket activity. I hope that you have heard about this activity, so you can conduct or adapt my activity to meet the objectives of your lesson. So thank you for your attention, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.